So as before, we have performed initial power query steps. Now no more transformation till now is left. So we gonna close our query editor. Under the file, we have an option close and apply. Here we have a close and apply option. So we're gonna close and apply to the Power Query editor as well. So it's going to load our Power Query steps and will be establishing a connection between the apply steps and the source data. Now you can see on the screen the loading option have been appearing. It says waiting for the other queries. It is evaluating the options available and would make a connection with these queries and the initial source data. So we're gonna see the relationships automatically prepared by the business intelligence in the data modeling view.